The episode starts with Parikshit leaving. Khanderao holds Ahilya's hand. He gets close to her. She stops him. She asks, "What are you doing?" He says, "I wanted to quit my drinking and give you this gift. Would not I get any gift in return?" She asks, "What do you want?" He holds her close. Dwarka asks Gotama to see. She cannot see this. Gotama turns away. She asks, "What's this giddiness? Did you invite everyone to see this? You should have thought of something." Harku smiles. Dwarka asks, "Why are you angry on me? Go and scold Khanderao." Gotama asks, "What happened to you? He is married. Ahilya is his wife." Dwarka says, "I did not know he will get permission to do all this if he is married." She sees Khanderao hugging Ahilya. She asks, "How did this happen?" Gotama says, "I cannot believe you are creating envies for this. Look at their age. They stayed away for years. It's their love. You are saying as if he did any sin." Dwarka says, "Yes, I have seen that Khanderao and Ahilya get away." He asks, "What did you see?" Gotama says, "I did not know you will create such a big issue." He asks, "What happened?" Harku says, "Nothing. We have to give prasad to everyone. They go and pray." Ahilya thinks, what did Dwarka see? Did she see him when he was acting drunk? Everyone gets the prasad. Malhar says, "I was saying we will discuss this in the darbar." Khanderao says, "I cannot even imagine to disappoint you." Gunnuji asks, "Will you wake up early?" Khanderao says, "My eyes have opened up. You will get a proof soon." Ahilya stops Dwarka. She says, "You had seen Khanderao drunk. He was acting. If you thought it's true, then you could have stopped him. Why did you call Gotama to create a misunderstanding?" Dwarka says, "You are wrong. He was acting drunk to tease you. Does this happen every night? Don't show this attitude to me." Ahilya says, "Things can spoil if you bring out his truth in front of everyone." Dwarka says, "What can we do? If we put pressure on something with a weak base, then the balance will be spoiled." Ahilya says, "You are right. I am trying my best." Dwarka says, "You did a sin to hide such a big thing. You are covering up his mistakes. Till when will this go on?" Ahilya says, "Until his mistakes become a problem for the Rajya pride." Dwarka says, "You think Malhar would not know about him? He would not need a second to make him away from the throne." Ahilya says, "I would not let this day come. I will stand to face this problem." She sees Khanderao and smiles. It's morning. Ahilya sees Parikshit and Renu laughing. She smiles. Khanderao comes. She says, "You woke up early today." He says, "We will have Shiv darshan first, then sword fighting practice, and then darbar." They go to the temple and pray. Parikshit praises Renu's rangoli. Khanderao says, "I will ask Malhar to give her some artwork." Renu says, "My drawing is not so good." Parikshit says, "No, she is talented." He goes with Khanderao. Ahilya smiles, seeing Renu. She asks, "Can Renu and I come along to see your practice?" Khanderao says, "Sure. You both will be shocked seeing Parikshit's talent." Dwarka gets ready. Yamuna comes to her. She says, "Ahilya is sporting Renu. I have seen Renu talking to Parikshit many times. I saw Ahilya with them. They were laughing. I think Ahilya does not dislike their meetings." Stops her, else. Dwarka says, "I would not stop her. You would not do anything. Ahilya will fall in a big problem. She is giving a hope to a widow that she can settle down. It's a big crime in our society. Let her do this. Just get me the news. We will raise a voice when a crime happens."